Modern concrete usually starts cracking in less than 50 years. But there's a type of concrete that has survived for more than 2,000 years. Storms, earthquakes, even constant ocean waves. And here's the crazy part, the ancient Romans built it. Even stranger, scientists discovered that this concrete can actually repair its own cracks, which means more than 2,000 years ago, the Romans may have accidentally invented self-healing concrete. So how did they do it? The ancient Romans were master engineers. They built vast roads, towering aqueducts, enormous temples, and massive harbors across their empire. Many of these structures still stand today. But the real secret behind their architectural success wasn't just their design, it was their extraordinary concrete. Modern concrete is incredibly strong, but over time, water and chemicals slowly weaken it. Cracks form, steel reinforcements corrode, and eventually structures fail. Yet Roman concrete behaves very differently. Instead of weakening with age, it often becomes stronger. Some Roman harbors have been exposed to constant ocean waves for more than 2,000 years. Saltwater, storms, and erosion should have destroyed them long ago. But instead, many of these structures remain remarkably intact. In fact, scientists discovered something even more surprising. The seawater may actually be helping preserve them. Researchers studying samples from ancient Roman concrete uncovered a fascinating process happening inside the material. The mixture used volcanic ash, lime, and seawater. Over time, these ingredients react chemically. And as seawater flows through tiny cracks, new minerals begin to form inside them. These minerals slowly grow within the cracks, almost like nature repairing the structure from the inside, which means Roman concrete can actually heal itself. Every time small fractures appear, the chemical reactions help seal them again. It's essentially an ancient version of self-healing concrete. Modern scientists now believe the key ingredient was volcanic ash from regions around Italy. When mixed with lime and seawater, it produced a unique chemical reaction that modern cement rarely replicates. Despite our advanced technology, we are still studying how to fully recreate it. If engineers successfully reproduce Roman concrete today, it could transform modern construction. Imagine bridges, harbors, and buildings lasting hundreds or even thousands of years, with far fewer repairs. A technology discovered 2,000 years ago could help build the future. So the next time you see ancient Roman ruins, remember this. Those structures may contain one of the greatest engineering secrets in human history, and we are still trying to rediscover it. If you enjoy uncovering hidden technologies from the ancient world, follow for more incredible science and history mysteries.